do you want to tell your fans?
Are you still videotaping?
No. Why are you mad?
I'm not. I'm doing ice.
No, you wanted me to videotape you. You kept
Yeah.
asking me.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Well, what do you want to tell your fans?
My fans?
Yeah, you have a lot of fans. Like a lot of followers. You're you're like a celebrity.
I would like to tell my fans, my 1,060 followers on Instagram.
It's more than that, or is it that?
It's like that. I think that that's a lot. I'm like a social media influencer.
You're like an influencer, huh?
I'm an influencer. I can't do what they do. I can't do it.
They live a life shrouded by lies, though, right? What about your family? You want to say something to your family?
Oh, yeah. Hi, family. Oh, do I ever? I don't have anything to say. I think this is the first time in my life I'm speechless.
What does that ice taste like right now? Is it better than candy? You're eating it like how I eat like dark chocolate.
Yeah, you know what? In some countries, this is a rarity. This is like a delicacy.
It's like a real treat.
It's a delicatessen.
Delicatessen?
Oh, how do you say that word?
Delicacy? Delicacy.
Delicatessen.
I think that's a word too.
It's a word.
I know. Let's do brain games right now. You want to do brain games?
Okay.
See how your brain works?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Get it situated a little bit more than it is.
What's 10 times 10? 10 times 10. That's an easy one.
100.
Nice, good work.
Is it 100?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I was going to say 1,000. Well, first I was going to say 500, then I was going to say 1,000.
How many quarters are in $1?
5. 4.
Not 5 quarters in $1, 4.
500. Wait, you're asking me questions that I may not know.
Who's the Prime Minister of Canada?
Trey Kennedy.
He's not the Prime Minister.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't Trey Kennedy a social media influencer?
Oh, yeah.
What's the guy's name? Do you remember?
Pierre Trudeau.
No, that's his dad, isn't it?
Justin Trudeau.
Dustin?
Justin.
Oh, they said Dustin.
Well, I call him Justine. Justine Trudeau. We're good friends.
Because he smokes the weed.
No. I don't know if he smokes weed. I don't know him that well.
It's earlier.
Well, that guy brought up Sweet Baby Jesus in the cell next to me. He was like, "Oh, Sweet Baby Jesus."
Gee, you're really liking that ice, huh? Damn.
This is what I'm having for dinner. Is this what anesthesia is supposed to make you loopy?
Yeah, just
Do you see that?
your lip.
Painkillers make you loopy?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. So you feel alright?
Yeah, I just... Wait, so they poked me in the leg. Did you miss me?
I did, I missed you. I was worried about you. We're going to pick up Ani right now. Are you excited?
Do you think she'll know?
Know what? Jump on your leg and stuff.
It's true, Cody. It's true.
So we might have to be really careful
I
with
just
her.
wish people could feel like this every day of their lives.
Why?
Because it'd be so much easier to deal with life.
Yeah. Does nothing else matter? Hey, you
It's just I woke up and
almost gone?
I just missed you.
Yeah.
I was like,
I don't know why they took Wilfred and put you under. You showing them your lip?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do another brain game?
Yeah, you gotta give me harder questions though.
Okay, try to say the alphabet backwards.
Okay.
I can't even do that. It's like
C Y X W V U T.
dang, you're doing great.
S R Q O N M L. I think I do this better.
Yeah, you did. You missed P, but you did really well. Like
I think I do this better though when I'm under the influence.
you're like maybe you're like a genius when you're
No, for
on
real.
drugs.
I can't do that normally. I can't believe they just take you to the hospital. They rip your leg open. They're like goodbye. Like
Yeah.
no, my leg hurts.
Starting to ache.
Starting to.
Oh, it's been in the entire
Oh my
time.
gosh, yeah.
Well, then let's get you some more drugs. Can we get
When
you
I
some more
first
drugs?
get out, no, like it's doable now. But like when I first came out, I was like, oh, this really, 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 really hurts. Wait, did they give me more fentanyl? Fentanyl.
Yep, that's it. That's the one. Nailed it.
Nailed it. Boat show. He says something. He's like, nailed it. That's not a song. We're not on the bus.
You know you were really nice to everybody in there though, when
Yeah, cause
you were like so nice to everybody. You're just a nice person. What's wrong?
oh no, everyone's just so nice.
Who's nice?
Nurses.
They were nice to you?
Yeah, they knew.
They knew what?
They knew that I was a nice person.
Oh, they knew you were a nice person.
Yeah.
Because they saw your true colors come out. Yeah, you are a good person. You're a really nice person. You're probably the nicest person I know to other people.
They do such a good job. And if you're nice to people, they'll do a good job and they won't hurt your knee.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They thought you were a good patient.
They did.
Yeah.
They say that?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice of them.
Yeah, it's nice.
They're good people. Like a bunch of band-aids on me.
A bunch of band-aids.
Yeah, one right here, one right here.
Maybe
one
that's
right
all
here.
they did. Maybe they just put a band-aid on your knee and that was it. And that's gonna make it better as a magic band-aid. That'd be nice, huh?
It'd be so nice. Not until heaven.
Yeah. Did you know you like quoted a scripture in there too?
What?
Yeah.
I quoted a scripture?
You said she was talking about just little by little, and you were like, line upon line, precept upon precept.
Oh, did she know?
No.
What'd she say?
No, she's like, just thought that. She's like, oh, that's true. That's nice. Do we need to get you some more at the Purdue's?
Yeah, but I don't think she's got this amazing Sweet Baby Jesus ice.
Yeah, the little mini Sweet Baby Jesus.
This is like, no, this is Baby Jesus ice.
You know who does have ice kind of like that, I think, is Sonic.
Oh,
They have
Sonic.
they have the special. Just dumb Fayetteville.
I'm so glad that's over with, Cody.
It's
I'm
over
so
with.
glad.
It's over with. Is your
Well-
anxiety gone?
Yeah.
You feel better?
Yeah, I'm just glad that just to build up, you know, you're on the edge of a cliff
Mm-hmm.
and you jump off and you break your leg. Is my throat supposed to hurt a little bit?
Yeah, that's because they intubated you. They put a tube down your throat.
Oh, okay. No, it's just basically like I've been at a sports game all day long and
Yeah,
just
like-
cheering for teams.
Yeah, because it's like an L-shaped thing, and you're supposed to lift up their throat. And
Like a
if-
metal
and if-
bar? Like a crowbar?
No, like this. It's like this. And you stick it though. You should check to see if your voice is still good.
A,
Just sing.
B, C, no. Do, re, mi.
You know, what did he sing? You don't remember?
No, I think it's fine.
They're fine. They still work?